Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Udemy. Now, for the ones who don't know what is Udemy, let me take you to the website. So the website is udemy.com. So let's say you have completed your schooling, your graduation, and you don't want to join any institution, but you want to learn some skills yourself. And how do you learn it without joining those institutions? You come to a website like this. It's an educational portal where you can find n number of courses on n number of topics and just grab any skill that you require. For example, you want to become a web developer, why not take courses from here? What if you want to become a web developer without any coding knowledge? Then you just join courses from here. And not just that, you can join courses on lifestyle, photography, music, teaching. There are many courses available, but this is not why we are here. But what if you end up asking your audience to take courses? You create some content and then you put your tracking links for any course that's available in Udemy, and your audience buy those courses. Who will get the commission? That's you. So by promoting the courses which are available on Udemy, if someone buys it through your tracking links, you get the commission out of it as well. So this is why we are looking at Udemy. Now let's look at some numbers. Let's see how famous they are. So currently, if you look globally, they stand at 343 ranking. That's like, that's how famous they are. That's throughout the global. And if you look at the category in science and education, they stand at number 25. Their monthly traffic is over 102 million. That's way too much, as you can see how famous they are. Now, let's look at the affiliate program of Udemy. To look at it, you can scroll down to the very bottom of it, and till the footer section, you will see a section called affiliate. You can click on it, and that should take you to this page where they're talking about the company a bit and why you want to choose them. But important of all this is this section, how to join. So if you click on this hyperlink, it should take you to this page. And don't worry about it. I'm going to put the direct link of this page in the video description. You can click on it and read through it. And this is very important. Here they talk about what's the requirement. So if you want to join the affiliate program, you should have a quality traffic. That means if you have a website or blog, then it should have at least 500 unique monthly visitors. But if you have a social media web page, or like, let's say it's a Facebook page, Instagram page, or a YouTube channel, then you should at least have 500 followers or subscribers. So that's the requirement for the followers or traffic. Then you should have a consistent traffic. It's not like, okay, you got this much traffic in this month, but in the next month, it's very low. That's not how it should be. Then your site theme. So it's not like, you can create any sort of website or blog or any social media web page. It should have quality content. It should looks good. And on the other side, if you look at Udemy and talk about them, the different kind of courses. So the many niches available that you can choose. You can create a website or blogs surrounding to it. But the point is, there should be some sort of matching with your niche and Udemy, so that they consider it before they kind of give approval to anyone to promote their courses. Then, as I say, site content, so it should be quality content and should have enough content. That means your website or blog or even social media web page. It's not like you created a page with some content and then suddenly you have followers and you apply to the affiliate program. No, they would not entertain it. Then alignment with our brand. So as we were talking about here on this topic, so when you apply to them, they look at your website, your social media page, and see whether it matches with their website or not, with the website of Udemy, whether you as an affiliate would be a good suitor for them. And if they find it, yes, you are, that's when they say yes to you. And not just that, there are some things that you should never do, like restricted promotional method. You can click on it and you can say what things are not allowed. This is an exhaustive list. So And if you feel like, okay, you have a web presence with all these things, and you think that you can get an approval from them, that's when you can click on how you can apply to any of their affiliate networks. If you come here, you will see a lot of things and you might get confused. So I don't want to confuse you. That's why I will directly take you to Rakuten Advertising. Now, why Rakuten Advertising? So Rakuten Advertising is an affiliate network, not just any affiliate network. They are one of the top affiliate networks out there. And the purpose of the affiliate network is to work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. So in our case, we are talking about Udemy. So Udemy is available within Rakuten Advertising as a brand, as an advertiser. So that means if you want to promote Udemy, if you want to get commission from Udemy, you must have an account with Rakuten Advertising. So when you create an account with Rakuten Advertising through their platform, so Rakuten Advertising should give you a platform called, they call it Publish Dashboard. And through that platform, you can start promoting Udemy. And that's when you can start generating commission. So if you have an account with Rakuten Advertising, that's good. You can simply just click on login and affiliate publisher and just log in and locate the Udemy affiliate program and apply to them. But if you don't have an account, you can click on become a publisher, fill out the registration form to have an account first. Now I understand creating an affiliate account with affiliate networks are quite challenging. There are the many questions around there. So don't worry. I also have a video on how to create an affiliate account with Rakuten Advertising, which you can find in the video description. So feel free to have a look at that video. I'm sure it will help you in creating an account with Rakuten Advertising. Let's say you found the instructions helpful and you ended up creating an account, or you already have an account with Rakuten Advertising. In that case, you can simply click on login, hover over login and click on affiliate publisher. So this should take you to the login page. In here, you can enter your email address and password and click on next. It should take you to the dashboard. Now it's a platform through which you can interact with many brands which are available within Rakuten Advertising, and one of them being Udemy. So since we are talking about Udemy, on the advertiser search functionality in here, you can just type in Udemy and just hit enter from your keyboard. So when you do that, give it a few seconds. And in here, you can see multiple programs of Udemy. Don't get confused, with Udemy, APAC, Brazil, EU, UK. Just think of it this way. From wherever you have most of the traffic, you might want to join that network. And what if you do not have any traffic from any of these regions? Then just pick the US one, the first one. The thing is, all of these programs, doesn't matter, whatever you will end up joining, you will end up getting 10% commission rate on the sale amount. So yes, that's true. They're giving 10% on the sale amount. Now you may argue, isn't 10% too less? But come on, look at the brand here, which is Udemy. They're anyways pretty much known, and the interface is also very good. They have very like the content they have on the website. It's with quality. People love to take courses from there. So 10% is fine to go with, I would say. So let's say you want to apply to the affiliate program of Udemy and you are fine with 10% commission rate. You can click on apply button in here, which should open this window. You can click on terms and condition, read whatever terms and conditions are there. Click on I have read and accept the terms and condition, and then click on OK. So when you do that, it will say, thank you, your application have been submitted. You can click on OK, and you will see the relationship now shows pending. So you got to give them some time since they're famous to get too many applications every day. So I would say give them around a week's time. And when they give the approval to you, that's when you can start promoting the affiliate program you can go with the affiliate program of Udemy. So you have to wait for the approval. Let's say you got the approval. And when you get the approval, you would be able to find Udemy within my advertiser section, and you can grab tracking links, put it on your website, blog, social media pages, doesn't matter. But ensure for whatever website, blog, or social media page you got the approval for, you should promote them on those pages only. Let's say you started promoting them and you started generating commission for them. So the time comes of payment. How would you get the commission? Isn't it? So all the commission that will get generated, it will be accumulated within Rakuten advertising. You can go through reporting, and you can see all your earning there. The other place you can hover over my account, go to payment info, and you can also see the payments that's being accumulated in Rakuten advertising account. So when I say accumulated, it's not like you earn the commission, you'll get it directly. Within Racket Advertising, they have something called payment threshold value, which is minimum $50. So that means until you cross the minimum payment threshold value of $50, the commission will keep on getting generated within Racket Advertising accounts of yours. And the moment it exceeds the minimum payment threshold value of $50 or whatever you have set, in the following week, you will get payment from Rakuten Advertising. So Udemy will pay the commission of yours to Rakuten Advertising, and Rakuten Advertising will send the commission to you. So Rakuten Advertising, as I say, they work as a mediator. So what are the payment methods? You can set your payment methods by going to my account and in here, account info. So that's where you can update your payment information. Currently, Racket Advertising provides the option to select from check, PayPal, and direct deposit. Depending on your location and whatever suits you, you can pick that payment option. And once you set it up, once you start generating commission, you can expect commission to get from Udemy. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and all the very best in your affiliate marketing journey, especially while applying to the Udemy affiliate program and getting approval from them. And if you have any questions related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create any video on the affiliate program of any brand, do not hesitate to let me know in the video comments, and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video that I create, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.